to my channel. It's your girl Tech with Nat. If you're new here, hey boo, over here we drop the business tea for free, okay? So before we even get into the video, you already know what the video is about based on the title. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, boo, because it will really help your girl out. I'm trying to be on the road to 100 subscribers. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop. Yo, you know, like when you like crack yourself up, like literally that's me. Let's play a game. So comment down below what you think my age is, and if you get it correctly, I'm gonna show you out in the next video. I don't know, don't be saying no wild numbers like I'm old as hell, but comment below and let me know what you think my age is. Alright, so I am doing no sponsors today. I just wanted like to do a quick video because I got like few questions under my last phone case video, as well as people is starting to DM me on my Instagram, and I love answering you guys questions, so don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you guys and guide you guys along the way with your phone case business. So this video is probably going to be under 10 minutes because I just want to get straight to the point and, you know, let you guys know how to find vendors, you know, how to actually start your phone case business and everything you need. So like how I said in my last video, it's definitely based on your target audience. So if you're a young entrepreneur like myself, I can still consider myself young, or if you're a teen entrepreneur or younger, you know, your target audience are most likely sometimes going to be your peers, so people that are around your age group. So once you know they are around the same age group as you, it's definitely easier to find products that you think they may like because you like those products. So finding products will be definitely easy because you already know what your peers like. With your phone case business, you can definitely do 3 kinds of cases. So you have the regular cases that's already out there. You know, you just need a vendor to, you know, supply those cases for you. You can do custom cases, you know, those where the customers submit their images or any design the customer have and you put it on the case for them. But you can either find a vendor for that, or you can come to me because I do wholesale for my custom cases. And the third one, what I was gonna say, the third one is actually making up your own designs. So if you're very artistic and you have, you know, different designs, either creative like graphic designs, or if you draw too, you can actually create your drawing in digital file of your drawing and put it in a phone case. So that would be pretty cool too. Alright, so if you're selling regular cases, you guys, like, I'm about to spill all the tea. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you want to sell regular cases, you know, those trendy cases, you know, either Milan cases or those regular pink girly girl kind of cases, you can either go on aliexpress.com or dhgate.com or even Amazon. Y'all, don't sleep on Amazon. Like, you'll find some stuff on there for cheap that you can upsell, you know, and with that 2-day shipping is like a win-win. Okay, so first thing first, with dhgate.com, I purchased from there before. The cases were high quality and everything. I just didn't really like it because, you know, the shipping was extremely long. Now with aliexpress.com is the goat, you guys. I literally, like, I love it so much. So on there you have very cute trendy phone cases, and when you go on there you can like see what's in style. The communication is great with most vendors on there, and they definitely help you without, you know, situations explaining shipping and processing and everything. But I have to warn you guys, like, you know, some vendors, they shipping is like ridiculous time, like 3 months ridiculous time. So make sure you look for very good vendors on there. I actually put together this list with 5 of the vendors that I used to use for my regular cases. I'm gonna link that below. I'm literally selling it for $1 because it's not about a profit for me. It's literally to help you guys start your phone case business. So with regular cases, you can definitely visit aliexpress.com. Also on my website, I have these $5 cases on my website. That's inventory that I have all on hand. I don't really care about those cases anymore. So if you see something that you like or whatever, you can definitely put those on your website and upsell them as well. And those will be like next day shipping. So period. So once you find a good vendor from, you know, either DHgate, aliexpress.com, amazon.com, or even if you purchase my $5 cases, make sure you guys are taking the time out to actually creating a good, reasonable price for you and your customer, so you're making profit and your customer is not paying that much, you know. So with those cases, I definitely want to stretch the fact that you guys are supposed to have unique kind of you know, either packaging, or you're supposed to take those cases and put your brand on that. So with those cases, when I used to sell them, well, I still sell a few of them, what I do is put them in these cute little boxes. I'm gonna put it like up here so you can see. I put those in the cute little boxes where, you know, my brand logo on them, or you know, a cute little branded sticker, so everybody know, you know, it's from Taylor Tech Shop. You know, they're paying for the brand and they're paying for the quality of those cases. You know, setting your own brand identity and your own brand twist on regular cases is definitely will help you be a successful phone case business. Moving on from regular cases, if you want to be in the custom cases as well, with custom cases it's gonna be better quality and also better you know, your customer will be more attracted to custom cases because they're actually putting their twist on it while you're actually putting your twist on it as well, if that makes sense. So, you know, I'd rather pay $25 for a custom case than $25 for a regular case, if you know what I mean. Because I definitely know that case is more unique to me. I'm uploading my image either on myself or of, you know, on my loved one, a pet, you know, any image I want, I'm uploading, so you can create that custom case for me. Now, you can either create custom cases from scratch, you know, on your own. There's like many videos on YouTube how to create it from scratch, or you can do, you know, if you like my cases are custom glass phone cases. I do wholesales, so you can come into my wholesale program where I'm definitely giving you access to my vendor at the price that they charge me, because, you know, I really thought of selling my custom case vendor, but you know, we've been working together for like a year now and she gives me like the basic price. So I definitely know, like, even if I give you guys she will not charge you the price that she's charging me. So I'm giving you guys the price that she charges me, you know, through my wholesale program. And if you don't want to do my wholesale program, that's fine. I definitely recommend, you know, if you have the time and the money to try out different vendors and do your own thing, is definitely helpful as well. So yeah, so that's regular cases, custom cases. So the other cases are custom cases as well, the ones that you design, but you're actually just putting your twist on it, you know, your graphic design. You know, I sell custom cases, but I also have some of the cases on my website that I actually design that I think people may like. I know it's kind of nerve-wracking, you guys, like, I don't know if they're gonna like this, you know, if I put it up. But the thing with custom cases, I don't have to put money up front, you know, actually buy inventory unless I really want to and I really see that case is selling. You know, if that person really liked that case and I just put it out, I'm not gonna buy a lot of inventory at first. I'm gonna test out the water. So if they buy the case, I just make the case made to order. So that little trick will definitely help you save money in the end. So yeah, that was the 3 things. Definitely either do regular cases from DHgate, Alibaba, Amazon, or you can get them for my $5 cases on my website. I also have a vendor list in the description below. As well as you can do custom cases, you know, either do your own research if you have the time and money, or you can join my wholesale program as well. I know this is a short video, but I just want to come out here, you guys, and explain a few things, because it's really not that hard to start your phone case business, you guys, because it definitely have people who already went through, you know, all the process and all the research for you guys, so you guys don't have to do that much, you know, work on your end. Like, I wish I was starting in 2020, seriously. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. Oh, please subscribe. You know, I'm on a road to 100 subscribers, so definitely help me get to that. And make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think my age is, and I will show you out in the next video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.